Hi guys, welcome back to a new video of how to log in. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can find your Bitcoin wallet address. Keep watching the video till the end. To find your Bitcoin wallet address, firstly open up your Bitcoin wallet application. The home page of Bitcoin wallet will appear on the screen. Click on Receive button. On the next page, to find Bitcoin wallet address, tap on BTC, that is Bitcoin. You can see the wallet address displayed on the screen. You can either copy or scan the wallet address as well. This is how you can find Bitcoin wallet address quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching.